Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix TikTok video resolution not spotted at this time. So if you are facing this type of the error on the TikTok, how you can fix it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. This error will appear when you are uploading high resolution video on the TikTok. TikTok only support 1080p resolution of the video. If you upload more than 1080p resolution video, it will showing this type of the error. And if your video is more than 1080p resolution, you can simply download the CapCut application and convert your video to the 1080p resolution. So this is the procedure to fix this error. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.